It's Valentine's Day. And every year on Valentine's Day, I give my wife a bunch of red roses and I say, I will love you forever. So what did I say last year? Well, yes, I said, I will love you forever. I said, comma, speech marks, I will love you forever, end speech marks, full stop. I said, I will love you forever. But can you make the sentence in reported speech? You can start your sentence with, Uncle Geoff said that... What do you think? Uncle Geoff said that, well, I has to change to something else. He, Uncle Geoff, is a man, so he. Uncle Geoff said that he, and remember, in reported speech, everything goes back one tense. So will becomes would. Past of will, would. Uncle Geoff said that he would. The verb love, what do we do with that? You can't say loved in the past because after a modal, and would and will are modal verbs, after a modal verb, the following verb stays the same. It stays infinitive. You can't change it. It must be infinitive after a modal verb. So, Uncle Geoff said that he would love. And who is you? Remember, it's a year before. Who is you? We don't know. So we have to change the word you. Uncle Geoff said that he would love. Who is you? His wife. Uncle Geoff said that he would love his wife. You could also use her as a possibility. Uncle Geoff said that he would love his wife forever. English grammar, reported speech, dead easy. Happy Valentine's Day.